Welcome back. Arbab is here and you are watching Arbab Zahoor FX Trader. In this video you will going to learn the POIs that actually work on SMC. So you must watch this video till end so you did not miss out any part, because in this video I am going to teach you step by step the selection of POI and the importance of that POI, why that POI is work and why another POI is did not work. So you watch this video till end. Before we jump to the diagram, to the chart, I will let you explain in this simple diagram. Okay, as you see, market is making higher highs, higher lows, and going upside, right? Okay, so everybody said once the price break a structure, it's make some type of POI here, order block we can say. Okay, but in SMC you must know, I explained in the last video. If you did not see that one, first go that one and see the SMC mapping. Okay, and the true SMC structure, where I tell you to confirm a higher high we must take out the inducement, the first leg or first pullback of this leg. Okay, after price take out the first pullback like here. Okay, after these inducement only two POIs will be valid. The first one after this inducement and the extreme one of the instrument of this leg. Okay, between these they are not working. Okay, I will tell you one more thing here. These POIs also valid if they are unmitigated. Okay, otherwise sometime what happen, price only sweep the inducement here and go upside. Okay, so I will also explain you that thing, so don't worry. We will now jump to the chart. We are on the USD CHF. Market is closed, and today I'm making a video on Friday, Sunday like this, and market is closed, so I will let you know. Okay, so this is a 50-minute time frame. Okay, as we are intraday traders. We will go where the market start. Now market is bullish. Okay, as you see, market is going upside, so we will start mapping where market was down. So here was the down market. Okay, after that this was a huge move, and market before is also pump, but this is a small short time pullback. So we will first find out our lower high, that one break this move and become market bullish. Okay, so to confirm a lower low we must find out where market take out the inducement. Okay, so here are the lower low. Why? Because market take out these inducement, market take out these inducement. Okay, so market take out these inducement. This is the first pullback, as you see here small, and then make a new low. Okay, that break this one, and this was the low that need to be break out to confirm this lower low. Okay, after the lower low confirm, market break the structure, candle must close downside, and it's close. Okay, after close that when our structure is confirmed, this is our lower high. Okay, this one our, just a moment. Sorry, this is our lower high. Okay, and this is our lower low. Okay, so if market break this one, it will be a change of character. Okay, so many people ask, sir, there is also here, but we see you see here, I will let you explain. This is the lower low. Okay, to confirm this lower market must take out this one. Here also some conclusions that I will tell you after that, no problem. So price did not take and make another low. So to confirm these low, market must take out the pullback here in this leg, only these was here. Okay, so market did not and make another lower low. Okay, so here it's take out this low. Okay, you see it's take here. Okay, this first pullback. Okay, why this first pullback? Here is the leg and make this pullback and break downside here. This is the first pullback, it's take, and this low is confirmed. Okay, so now what happened, our low is confirmed here. As price is bearish, we consider if price break and close downside, it's called a break of structure, right? But market what it did, and if close here above, it's called change of character. Okay, market shift in change of character in 15 minutes. Okay, After change of character, now our low is here. Okay, let me delete this one because I will explain here something very important. You must understand that one. Okay, now we have this lower low. Okay, now we need a higher high. So to confirm a higher high, we need a valid pullback. Okay, this one is not a valid pullback because it does not break previous candle low or sweep it. Okay, I explained the valid pullback. If you did not see that video, see first on my playlist. Okay, SMC playlist. This, so there is no pullback. Market go upside. Okay, make these small pullbacks internally like this. Okay, and market go upside. Okay, after going upside, market come back and take out this low. Okay, after take out this low, our higher high is confirmed. Okay, this is our inducement. Okay, first leg, our higher high is confirmed here. Okay, so after higher high, we have to find out, once it's confirmed inducement taken out, we have to confirm our POIs. Okay, so let me play with the replay bar so you will understand. Okay, okay, okay. So after take out one more candle. Yeah, that's great. Okay, after take out this and close candle, you have to find out where is your unmitigated order block. Okay, so first one is here. Okay, second one is here, this extreme. Okay, this is our engineer liquidity. I explain this everything in all coming videos, so don't worry. Okay, we have inducement, we have this POI, and we have this POI. Okay, so in this leg there is no another POI, right? So how we know if these work or these work? So we have to find out then an order flow. You will see these last consecutive bearish move after this big move to the upside. Okay, and if you see here, it was mitigated by these black candle which we make as a mark as an engineer liquidity. So this one come up inside and it's mitigated. So this is a low probability order block. Market may come here, may not come here. Okay, so we find out first order block with fair value gap, but it's mitigated by this black candle because it's come down and mitigate that order flow. Let's go to the upside and we find here these order flow. In that order flow, we found also a FVG here, and with FVG we have order block as well, right? So price came here, and then we go to the 1 minute time frame, find out the structure, our structure, like price making a lower low, lower highs, then go upside, take an inducement and to the tap like this, and you will make entry. So I am not here telling about the entry. I will first teaching you this step. Entry will video come after, inshallah. So don't worry about that, and I will tell you thing here. Okay, so you understand how to mark out the POI. Only two POI work. Remember my point. After the inducement, first order block and the extreme one, that should be unmitigated. For example, if it's mitigated, if you find here, that will be your POI, but should be unmitigated. Only two POIs will be work. Remember my point. Okay, you will when you practice, you go to the chart, you will see, don't believe in my words, you will see that's happening in the market. So after break of this high, market close above, we consider this a break of structure, right? Let's see price what do. Yeah, here price came here. Okay, I will explain you. I tell you something here interesting. Many people are selling here. Okay, so they put their stop loss upside. Okay, and they target for the low here, and they step out here. Market make them step out. Okay, so the SMC only work as a liquidity. Okay, so your structure is break and your lower low is confirmed. Where is your lower low? In this leg, which is the lowest point, this one. Okay, many people mark this one, not in this leg from here to here. This is the leg that break these high. Okay, so this is our lower low. So to change of character, if price need to be bearish, price must break down this one to confirm our change of character. Okay, now we need a valid pullback. Okay, to confirm this high we need this one, but it go upside. Now we need this one, so I will mark like this, and we will see this price will come here or make another high. Okay, yeah, now price confirm the higher high here. Okay, why? Because price take out the inducement by this week. It sweep, close, doesn't matter. After this happen, we have to find out our unmitigated order block. Okay, so after the inducement, price already tap on this one and give it a reaction. Okay, once it's mitigated, then second time is no use. So downside we have to find, we have this order flow that is unmitigated, where we find this order block with imbalance. Must be imbalance. Without imbalance there is no POI. In SMC, order block is just for confirmation, not an order block is SMC. Okay, SMC only work with liquidity. And second one, we have an extreme. This is our engineer liquidity, because this is the last move. Okay, I will explain this engineer liquidity order flow in the coming videos, don't worry. We have this order flow. No, this is not order flow. The very good thing is here, you see this is not a valid pullback. Okay, because this green candle is not downside, so it's not a valid pullback for me. And this is our order flow from here to here, so it's already mitigated. Okay, so but doesn't mean that it will not work. It will work sometime, but low probability. You have to understand this point. Okay, we have now one POI here, one POI here. Between these are SMT, smart money trap. Okay, so we have to find out, this is our breakup structure. Okay, and wait for price to come, mitigate our area. Yeah, it's mitigate and go high here, market tap here and give you a reaction. Opposite side, you see a many order block here. One is here, one is here, and price give reaction, make smart. Don't sell. That's why trend is your friend. Understand? Yeah, only trade on the where is price going. Okay, many people use here the trend line and blah blah, but use only one strategy, work it for 3 months, and it will be work for you with your risk reward. Okay, so in this video you learn about that in the leg. Okay, so here is the leg basically. What is the leg? This one and this one, now this one and upside. Okay, so in this leg from here to here, only 2 POIs your work, and that will be unmitigated. You have to find out the order flow. In that order flow, you have to find out the order block and with fair value gap. Okay, and if not happen, many times like this liquidity sweep and market go upside if there is a high momentum or the big players are involved with high money, okay, with high orders. So many times this happen. The trades is probability, is not every time confirmation. So you have to watch this. Okay. So I hope you understand this and you learn from this video. Friends, here is my channel, Telegram channel, free channel, where I post our trading strategies and free signals, okay, and news and everything. And if you want a zero spread account for gold and everything without any problem, with a very minimum spread, come to my Telegram channel, join my Telegram channel. Here you will get in pin messages these broker, okay, these are regulated broker, and I use it when I was funded, and it's very great. Use my this referral link, and if you deposit 50, it will be a favorable, and $500 it will be awesome. So use any one strategy and you can do it. Anyhow, this is our Telegram channel. I post everything is here free, and there is one my strategy that I will reveal shortly once I got 1000 subscriber. So make sure you join this. Okay, so best of luck, meet you in the next video.